Band 9. Ammonia. A base acting on any ammonium salt yields ammonia gas, which is collected by air displacement. Heating a mixture of ammonium chloride and calcium hydroxide gives calcium chloride, water, and ammonia. Bromine. Heating sodium bromide and manganese dioxide in sulfuric acid yields sodium sulfate, manganese sulfate, water, and bromine. Carbon dioxide. Hydrochloric acid on marble chips, calcium carbonate, yields water, calcium chloride, and carbon dioxide, which is collected by displacement of air or of water. Chlorine. Heating hydrochloric acid and manganese dioxide yields manganese chloride, water, and chlorine. Hydrogen. Hydrochloric acid or dilute sulfuric acid poured on zinc yields zinc chloride or zinc sulfate and hydrogen collected by water displacement. Hydrogen. Sodium reacts with water to form hydrogen and sodium hydroxide. Potassium or calcium may be used instead of sodium. Hydrogen chloride. Heating sodium chloride and sulfuric acid yields sodium sulfate and hydrogen chloride collected by air displacement. Hydrogen peroxide. A mixture of cold dilute sulfuric acid and barium peroxide yields hydrogen peroxide and a precipitate of barium sulfate, which may be separated by filtration. Hydrogen sulfide. Hydrochloric acid acting on ferrous sulfide yields iron chloride and hydrogen sulfide collected by air displacement. Iodine. Heating potassium iodide and manganese dioxide in sulfuric acid yields potassium sulfate, manganese sulfate, water, and iodine. Nitric acid. Gently heating a mixture of sodium nitrate and concentrated sulfuric acid yields sodium sulfate and nitric acid. Nitric oxide. The action of dilute nitric acid on copper yields copper nitrate, water, and nitric oxide collected by water displacement. Nitrogen. Decomposition of ammonium nitrite. Usually it is convenient to heat a mixture of ammonium chloride and sodium nitrite, collecting the nitrogen by water displacement. Nitrogen. Burning phosphorus in air in a closed space leaves nitrogen. Oxygen. Heat a mixture of potassium chlorate and manganese dioxide, collecting the oxygen by water displacement. The manganese dioxide is a catalyst. Oxygen. Mercuric oxide, when heated, breaks down into mercury and oxygen. Sulfur dioxide. Prepared by the decomposition of sulfurous acid, yielded by heating concentrated sulfuric acid and copper. No hydrogen is obtained because hot concentrated sulfuric acid is an oxidizing agent. Sulfur dioxide. Heating a mixture of sodium sulfide and sulfuric acid yields sodium sulfate, water, and sulfur dioxide.